Hi, this is Sarah. In this lecture we will discuss image-guided lens extraction surgery in presbyopia. The learning objective of this lesson is to make an introduction to image-guided technologies in lens extraction surgery in treating presbyopia. While reading or bifocal glasses might provide a temporary solution, many individuals seek more lasting options. This is where surgical intervention for presbyopia comes into play. The primary goal is to restore near vision and reduce dependence on spectacles. In surgical interventions like lens extraction procedures, advanced technologies, and precise planning play a crucial role. Image-guided techniques have revolutionized these surgeries, offering real-time insights and enhancing surgical precision. Such interventions not only address presbyopia but also pave the way for improved visual outcomes, significantly impacting the quality of life for those affected. In recent years, advancements in technology have transformed the preoperative and intraoperative stages of cataract surgery. Consequently, achieving a superb refractive outcome has become essential to fulfill patients' high visual expectations and improve their overall satisfaction. Image-guided systems represent a recently introduced technology utilized in cataract surgery and refractive lens extraction. These systems have been designed to help surgeons with preoperative planning of the size and location of the surgical incisions and capsulorhexis, as well as correct placement of IOLs and accurate alignment of toric IOLs. So, they allow the surgeon to see in real time intraoperatively the aforementioned measurements. Current image-guided systems include the Alcon Virion image-guided system, the Zeiss Callisto I and Z-Align, as well as TrueVision 3D. The Alcon Virion image-guided system was evaluated for the first time by clinical trials in 2013. It is composed of two units, the Virion Reference Unit and the Virion Digital Marker. The reference unit includes two modules, the Measurement Module and the Vision Planner. The measurement module is a non-contact point-based keratometry device. It captures a high-resolution preoperative reference image of the eye to document the center of the undilated pupil, corneal reflex position or eccentricity of the visual axis, scleral vessels, and iris structures. It also measures biometric parameters, such as keratometric measurements, corneal radii, the magnitude of astigmatism, limbus position and diameter, white-to-white horizontal distance, and pupillometry in photopic conditions. As regards the Vision Planner, it allows the import of the keratometric data measured by the measurement module as well as the modification of K values by manually entering the keratometric measurements performed by another keratometry system. Other functions include calculating the power of toric or multifocal intraocular lenses using different formulas, selecting the optimum location of corneal and limbal incisions by providing an astigmatism planner, and selecting the preferred diameter and centration of capsulorhexis, as well as intraocular lens centration and position after the visual identification of the optical axis. In this slide, you can see the measurement module and the Virion plan that is produced by the measurement module, as well as the Vision Planner. After the planning of the surgical procedure, the operator exports the data to a USB stick or uploads them onto a network in order to transfer them to the digital marker. It is located in the operating room and allows the surgeon to see a digital tracking overlay picture through the microscope. It offers image registration in real time and automatically corrects the cyclotorsion by recognizing scleral vessels and landmarks of the iris. It guides the surgeon for the size and location of corneal incisions and capsulorhexis, assists the surgeon in controlling the IOL centration and performing accurate IOL alignment in case of toric intraocular lens implantation, calculates surgically induced astigmatism, and optimizes the constant of the IOL in case of postoperative follow-up and repeated measurements which are taken by this system. The Argos is the latest optical biometry device using the swept source OCT method with integrated Virion image-guided surgery software. As with the Virion reference unit, the operator of Argos exports the data to a USB stick or uploads them onto a network to transfer them to the Virion digital marker microscope. Argos captures a two-dimensional OCT image from the corneal highest point to the macula. This OCT image can measure axial length, anterior chamber depth, lens thickness, and central corneal thickness. The Zeiss Callisto INZ Align is another computer-assisted cataract surgery system that helps the surgeon plan the location and the size of the surgical incisions preoperatively, including the position of limbal relaxing incisions and capsulorhexis, as well as the position of the implant according to the optical axis of the patient's eye. A preoperative image captured with the IOL Master 500 or 700 and the report with the relevant biometry data can be transferred and be available for review in the operating room. An additional assistance function performed with Z-Align Toric Assistant is the use of the reference axis from the Zeiss IOL Master and the use of the target axis in the microscope eyepiece to provide accurate markless alignment of toric intraocular lenses. As for the TrueVision 3D surgical system, this surgical planning application collects and stores all diagnostic variables for the creation of a customized surgical plan. The surgical plan is then sent to the TrueGuide in the operating room. It can also collect data from a variety of preoperative devices. The three-dimensional digital visualization, such as the Ingenuity of Alcon, is a newly developed technology. It consists of a 1080p camera, a CPU, a monitor, and polarized glasses. The camera is wired to the CPU, which processes the live image and displays overlapping stereo images on the widescreen HD monitor. Three-dimensionality is experienced by donning the circularly polarized glasses. This is mainly applied in vitreoretinal surgery by several surgeons and also in surgery of the anterior segments. Having briefly reviewed the current image-guided technologies in lens extraction surgery when treating presbyopia, additional references are presented for further study. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on image-guided lens extraction surgery in presbyopia, and please don't forget to run the self-evaluation tests of the lecture.